Hello everybody, and today we are going to take a level I got for free and make it new again. Alright, here we go. So one of the first things I had to do is make end caps for this Stabila Level, and I just went into Fusion 360, modeled up some caps that would fit just right in. I wanted to make sure while I was cleaning it that no water or any solution would get in. So this is how they look, all said and done, printed on a Creality under 3. So once I put those caps in, as you can see in this picture, I made a little trough with some aluminum foil. Essentially what I'm going to do is soak this overnight in vinegar. So I could just leave it out just like this. But what I ended up doing was making sure both sides got wet and then put paper towel over it and allowed that also to sit on top. So the vinegar, what it does is it's mildly acidic, so it's going to break down any of the concrete and some of the other materials that were on this level when I first got it. I'm just going to wipe up, and then I'm going to cover the thing with saran wrap and let it sit. I think I let it sit for a day and a half or so, just like this, didn't move it. Then I'm going to unwrap it, and I'm going to come in with the scrub brush and just basically scrub it clean. All sides, and I'll wipe it down. I'll get the scouring pad from Sponge and continue to wipe down everything and try to get it off as best I can. So I got this level and it was caked up with, you could see, just about, I don't know, anything that you could possibly want to put on a level. I don't know why, but I got it for free, so I wasn't going to complain. Then I went in with this little tool I found in my house. I don't know what it is. I think it's used to like push cuticles up. But I found it makes really good at getting the cement out of some of these areas. You can see it as we look, and basically it just keeps flaking off. And we're just going to keep going around and wiping down more vinegar solution and keep going. It's not really too exciting, but this is what you get with a free level. And I'm going to continue going through. Once I get that, give it another final scrub down. And then we'll be moving over to the sink, where basically now I'm going to rinse it off. So this is why I made the end caps first, is so that I didn't have to worry about getting anything inside this level. I don't know if it would really make a difference or not, but it did, and they fit in nice. And I'm going to go in, continue off with that little tool that I found. That it's like a dental pick, but different. I believe it's for cuticles. And continue to go around and break off any little more pieces of cement that there might be. Do this a little bit more, and that is almost it. With some coffee. It was a very tiring process here. And that's it. Finally going through any other little spots I see, and dry it off. This is what you get. So this is quite a bit better than what I originally started with, as you can see here in some of the pictures. But we go through. I was thinking about refinishing the sides a little bit, but I didn't really care. Close up of those end caps, how they fit in, nice and neat. And that is about it. So, got a level for free. It was pretty banged up, and now it looks pretty good. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little video on cleaning up a level. I think it's, anytime you can bring something back from the dead, it's well worth it. You can see here, if you do a quick search on Amazon, brand new Stabila Level is $56. And, well, with a little bit of effort, you can make something brand new again or pretty close to it. Why not? So if I save myself a little cash, it's great. But otherwise, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this. If there's anything else you would like me to do, see, review, please let me know. Like and subscribe. It helps me out in any way. And I can keep making, videos like this or other ones. All right, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.